Hello and welcome to Jane Tanner Designs Crochet YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to start your project. So here we have our hook. We're going to hold it and then our yarn, wrap around the pinky finger and over the fingers to hold it right here. Now we want to make a slip knot, and how we're going to do that is we're going to grab our yarn with our index finger and our thumb, and we're going to grab the tail with our left hand. We'll twist just like this. Now this puts the incoming thread on top and there's a little bit of a loop there. You'll take your hook, insert it into the loop. You'll yarn over. That's a term you'll need to know. This is yarning over your hook. And then you pull that through the hole that was there originally. And now we're just we're gonna let this loop here slip out of our fingers, and we're gonna pull that tight. That's our beginning slip knot. And now we have a slip knot. It pulls and it tightens, it loosens and tightens as needed. That is how we do a slip knot. Now we're going to do a basic chain. For this, we're going to yarn over and we're going to pull it through the loop that was on our hook. And that is the basic chain. Let's do it again. Yarn over and pull through the loop. See, now we have two chains. 1, 2. Let's do it again. Yarn over, pull through. A few more times. This is a basic chain. This is a good thing to practice, especially as a beginner. Once you have this chain down, you're ready to move on to the next stitch. Learning to crochet? Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a tip.